Hi guys, it's me Shane and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you 5 nail arts that are easy to create. Let me know down in the comment which design is your favorite. Let's get started. For our base, I will be using this nail polish from Oh My Jail in the shade Touch of Tan. After applying the base, I'll be using this liquid peel-off tape to the side of my nails. In order for us to easily clean the edges after applying designs to our nails. After drying the peel-off tape, let's proceed to our first design. I will be going to use this stripping tape for our first design. Going to make diagonal lines across my nails to achieve our first design. After putting all this stripping tape, I will going to use this nail polish in the shade Blackout and cover my nails for our second base. And after, I will going to peel off this tape before the nail polish to dry. For our second nail, I will be going to use this black and red nail polish, and I will be using also this dotting tool and start putting black dots on my nails in order for us to create a flower-like design. And also for a red color, I will put small dots and start creating lines to the center of our dots to achieve the flower-like design. And put black color at the center of the red dots and red color at the center of the black dots. For our third nail, I will be going to use this black, red, and white nail polish, and also this diamond shaped sticker, and start putting the white nail polish first on our nails, followed by our black and red nail polish. And put this diamond shape sticker on our nail. Fourth design, I will be starting to put these white small dots to our nail, followed by black dots and red dots, and using another bigger dots also for our black, white, and red dots. And for our last nail, I will going to use this sticker for our design and start putting it on our nail. And don't forget to apply top coat to all of our nails. And this is the final look of our nails. I forgot to apply cuticle oil before showing you our final look, so here it is.